Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Today's discussion is going to be very interesting as there are some good news coming up from India's 5th generation fighter jet development program, AMCA. We will discuss about the budget allocated and the complete development roadmap for AMCA, so stay tuned with us till the end of the video. The AMCA is being developed by HAL and DRDO. And going further, the project will have private participations as well. In 2018, $60 million was allocated for prototype design and R&D. As per the latest news from Hindustan Times, by the mid of this year, the Government of India is likely to approve India's homegrown AMCA, the 5th generation fighter jet program. The design, development and the first prototype rollout cost is estimated to be around 15,000 crore. The Aeronautical Development Agency ADA after DRDO and the Indian Air Force are meanwhile moving swiftly on the development of the advanced medium combat aircraft, and if all goes as per the plan, the first flight of AMCA can be expected to be between 2025 to 2026. It will be in full production by 2029. The Indian Air Force modernization roadmap involves development of around 126 stealth fighters, which is close to 6 squadrons consisting of 36 AMCA Mk1 and 90 AMCA Mk2 from 2032 onwards. The AMCA is going to be 5th generation fighter with 6th generation technology. It will be single-seater, twin-engine stealth, all-weather, multi-role fighter aircraft integrated with direct energy weapons and will have super cruise ability. It is also planned to have both manned and unmanned operational capability. We have already made a detailed video on the features and specifications for the AMCA, and the link for the same can be found in the description section. The development of AMCA is planned in 2 phases. The first 2 squadrons will consist of Mk1 version of AMCA. The Mk1 stealth fighters will be powered by American GE 414 engines. The remaining 4 squadrons will have more advanced Mk2 version with 6th generation technologies, which will be powered by indigenously developed engines likely to replace the imported GE 414 engines. DRDO is working with Rolls-Royce for the development of engines with a thrust of 110 kilonewtons and above. The engine will power all the future jets of Indian Air Force. The production of AMCA is likely to be kickstart in next 7 to 8 years. DRDO is looking at incorporating 6th generation technologies in AMCA. As per the Indian Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal R.K. Bhadoria's statement in Aero India 2021, there is a possibility of equipping AMCA with directed energy weapons, superior anti-missile systems and advanced missile approach warning systems, and teaming it with unmanned systems. AMCA is going to be a very critical project which will make Indian research and development and defense manufacturing to a much higher scale in terms of technology. India was earlier planning to co-develop a stealth fighter with Russia, but the proposed multi-billion-dollar 5th generation fighter aircraft or FGFA project was abandoned after Indian Air Force expressed strong reservation about the project due to high cost and the extent of technology transfer. Boosting indigenization in defense sector is a top priority for the Government of India. India has set aside Rs 70,221 crore, which is 63% of military's capital budget for 2021 and 2022 for buying locally produced weapons and systems. The allocation of indigenous procurement made for second consecutive year will power the purchase of Tejas LCA Mk1 fighter jets, light combat helicopters, basic training aircraft, the Arjun Mk1 tanks, Astra beyond visual range missiles, Pinaka rocket systems and anti-tank missiles.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.